Welcome. If you're looking to take control of your PDF files in Dropbox, you're in the right place. In this quick guide, I'll show you how to change the default app you use to open PDF files on Dropbox, so you always get the reading experience you want. This is the updated method, so you won't run into any surprises. Let's jump right in. First, open your Dropbox app on your device. Browse through your folders and find any PDF file you'd like to use for this process. Go ahead and tap on it. This brings up a preview of your document right inside Dropbox. Now, look toward the top right corner of your screen. You'll see 3 vertical dots, also known as the More Options menu. Tap on those 3 dots. A menu will pop up with a variety of options for this file. From this menu, find and tap on Open In. Dropbox will now show you a list of compatible apps on your device that can handle PDF files, like Adobe Acrobat Reader, Google PDF Viewer, or any other PDF app you have installed. Here's the important part. When you select the PDF viewer you prefer, you'll get a prompt asking if you want to use this app just once or always. This is your chance to set your new default. Tap on Always. From now on, every time you try to open a PDF from Dropbox, it will automatically launch in your chosen app, skipping any extra prompts. And that's it. Changing your default app for PDFs in Dropbox is as easy as that. If you ever want to change it again, just repeat these steps and choose a different app. This trick makes managing your documents quicker, smoother, and lets you use the software you're most comfortable with. If this was helpful, don't forget to check out more of our tips for getting the most out of your favorite apps. Thanks for watching.